Hi guys! I'm now here at the Puzzle Mansion here in Tagaytay City. Well, this place actually holds the Guinness Book World of Records for the largest number of jigsaw puzzle in the world. This is one of the tourist spots here in Tagaytay. Aside from People's Park, then you have the Sky Ranch, then you have the Sandari Batulaw, the Calerwega, and the Puzzle Mansion. If you have time, try to visit the Puzzle Mansion here in Tagaytay City. It's more fun here in the Philippines. It's more fun here in Tagaytay City. Puzzle Mansion, bye guys!